Hey guys, Donnie B, Learn Pro Recording. You know, the site that not only shows you how to do some recording, but how to get paid for it. Hey, you know what? Special day today, man. I've got something awesome for you. I was talking to a mentor of mine earlier this week, and he said, "Hey, man, you've got this thing that you're trying to sell on your Learn Pro Recording for $40, bro. It's awesome. You should give it away." Okay, here you go, ladies and gentlemen. 100% free from now on. My Basics of Signal Flow course. Listen, this guy, my mentor, said, "Hey, man, you've got this awesome information that everybody needs to know about, especially the up and coming engineers of today. Go give them this information free. Stop trying to make $40, bro." Yes, sir. So there you go, ladies and gentlemen. LearnProRecording.com/basics. Go grab the free course. 100%. Not trying to sell you anything. The only thing that I ask in return for the free course, give me some testimonials. Let me know along the way. There's places to leave comments. Let me know along the way in the comments on the course if you're liking the course, if it's something that's helpful, if it's helping you grow, if it's helping you understand something that you didn't really understand before. Let me know. This is all I ask in return. This gives me the idea of what it is you want from me. Look, my goal in life is not to make a bunch of money off this platform. My goal in life is to give this information to the next generation of audio engineers, recording engineers, producers, et cetera, studio owners. Look, my thing's all about you growing as a business, as an audio engineer, producer, recording studio, mixing engineer, et cetera, et cetera. That's why I'm here, is to show you the mistakes that I've made so you can avoid those and grow and prosper and get bigger and that kind of thing. Look, I make my money in my recording studio. I'm not trying to make a bunch of money on Learn Pro Recording. That's not my goal. That's not why I'm here. I'm only here to serve you and to help you grow and to understand. This course, The Basics of Signal Flow, is exactly what it sounds like. It's the basics of signal flow going. Signal flow is the key to what we do. You guys know that, right? So going from point A to point B to point C and so on and so on, that's the most important thing we do. Regardless of whether we're a recording engineer or live audio engineer or a mixing engineer or a producer, our job is to understand exactly what signal is going from point A to point B. Okay, then moving on, we're going to learn about patch bays. Do you need one in your studio? If you do, how can I help you set that up? Let me show you what a normalized patch bay is. Let me show you what a half normal patch bay is, et cetera, et cetera. Then we're going to touch on hybrid mixing. I don't know if you guys have experienced this yet. If you do get a chance, please do enjoy this. It's the idea of using the digital in the box as well as an analog console, summing, if you will. This is amazing, and this is awesome. I'm having a great time doing it. I love doing it this way. Some of my favorite reverbs are actually in the box. Some of my favorite EQs are on my console. So I use the best of both worlds when I do that. You run through that SSL bus compressor on the console, bro, I tell you what, it's amazing. It's a lot of fun. So you guys come over and join me. Again, one more time, free Basics of Signal Flow course. Hopefully you guys get something out of it. Let me know in the comments. Please let me know in the comments. Go to learnprorecording.com/basics. It's yours 100% free. I'll see you guys on the podcast on Sunday. Enjoy the rest of your week. Again, Donnie B, I'm out of here.